I don't know, but there's a little tiny bird chilling on our front porch. Valen, stop!
Knock it off.
Just sitting there.
How do we get it
Back up, Valen.
Mommy, I don't like one.
What did you throw at it, Valen? I think it's got a broken wing.
I threw broken.
Don't throw stuff
glass
at the bird.
on it.
That's not glass, it's an egg that I don't understand why was in the yard, but whatever.
Probably from Easter.
Yeah. And then I cracked on the
Now
porch
get it.
and left it there.
Scoop it
Why
up
do
and
I
get
gotta
it.
get it?
I ain't touching it.
What if this thing starts flying at me?
Pretty sure it's not gonna.
Well... Ooh.
It's a baby! Oh.
Oh, you heard it.
Now it starts to do something? I didn't hurt it.
Yeah, you did.
We're not taking it in, Jennifer.
But honey,
No.
look at it.
No, no. What are we going to do when we let Lulu out of the house? Why is it trying to go in our house?
It doesn't have a family.
Sure it does.
Kill it.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Who cares?
I care. It's one of God's creatures.
Raylan, knock it off.
Watch out!
Oh,
Ah! That's the mama bird. Mama bird just came to come attack us. Did you see that?
Valen, get
Valen,
over
back
here.
up.
Crap, there's another one.
There's like a flock of mama birds coming to take us out.
Two. That's not a flock.
What?
They're coming to get their baby. Ah!
Why is it coming at us? We didn't do anything.
There comes that.
Ah! Get your bird, man.
This is total nature journey. Dude, that thing came straight at us.
Yeah, he wasn't too happy. Ooh, there was two
Don't.
back there, it's still up there.
Yeah, put that pole down before it comes at you again.
Stop. Let it get its bird.
That is crazy. I just want to go in the house.